As soon as some people enter a room, everyone turns their heads. It can be hard to see exactly how they get everyone's immediate respect and attention. These people have a high social status. As a man, you might want to increase yours, so keep watching to find out how.
This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description.
Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be talking about how you can increase your social status as a man. Without further ado, let's get started. Smile and be stylish. It's possible that you're feeling sad, you're going to have another interview for a job you're unlikely to acquire, or maybe you're going on your first date this month. Is it alright to be defeated? Yes, although it is not acceptable to act defeated. That is how you lose the fight before it ever starts. So, even the chances of something working out aren't tremendous, go ahead and do it anyhow. Show everyone you're a future winner by smiling. A confident but not smug grin may instantly elevate your standing. It's a human condition. According to studies, smiling outperforms frowning, as well as a neutral expression. In terms of facial beauty, you're more likely to rank the smiling face as more beautiful than the neutral face if you view two faces of the same individual, male or female, with one smiling and the other neutral. It doesn't end there though. Your best "I'm an awesome guy" grin won't get you very far if your wardrobe says "I'm useless." Does this imply that people judge a book by its cover? Yes, that's how the world works, especially when it comes to first impressions. Dressing properly, on the other hand, doesn't necessarily require a large sum to accomplish. If that were the case, only the rich and famous will be displaying their status. It's all about wearing clothing that meet society's standards of dressing well. This includes getting the fit right, which means knowing your body type, dressing in a way that is acceptable for your age. In both official and informal settings, you should look your best. Also, make sure to select the correct accessory, namely dress shoes, hats, necktie knots, pocket square folds, and etc. Also, wear a nice watch. You might strive to improve your standing and believe you need to make a significant adjustments. That, however, is not the case. Your objective is to impress people and acquire their respect by paying attention to little inconspicuous details. And what could be better than obtaining a fashionable dress watch for a man? Watches are a great way to dress up your attire for work and social occasions. They can also assist you in initiating interactions with a variety of individuals, including potential partners and co-workers. But wait, before we move on, like this video, smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell right now, or you won't ever be able to increase your social status. You don't want that to happen, right? Try male power postures. If you want to raise your status, try male power poses. You've had an interview today, and you're in the office lobby waiting. Your resume is impressive, and you know precisely what to say. However, you are seated as follows. Your arms are curled up, and your head is facing the floor, and your legs are crossed. So, does it appear to be a man who feels he is the best candidate? No. That is somebody who believes he is worthless. Before an interview or while preparing for a presentation, you'd be far better suited adopting power poses. You may practice them in a restroom for a minute or in your workplace while you're alone. What matters is that you're intentionally giving your body power through these poses, which helps to develop your mind. Is all of this accurate? Taken from a study conducted by academics at UC Berkeley, Harvard, and INSEAD in France on participants who participated in a simulated job interview. Before the interview, participants had to take either a high power or lower power attitude, while coming up with a speech about their qualifications. The high-powered posers performed better in the interview in terms of delivery, presentation, and overall hireability. Take a seat the right way. You don't often recognize it, but our posture is a powerful nonverbal indication. People often form snap judgments about others based on their seating arrangements. Why? In comparison to standing, your legs have greater flexibility in how they place themselves. You can keep them together without any gaps. However, folding your arms has the same closed effect, not to mention that it's inconvenient for males. You may either sit with both feet on the floor with your legs 11-24 inches apart while keeping your torso upright, or you can employ the figure 4 leg lock position. Both postures are not only more comfortable to hold, they do, however, allow you to be more open and less protective. They boost your self-assurance. You sense a shift of power from your body to your thoughts, since people with power are often seen to take up more space. These stances also indicate that you're paying attention to what others are saying, which is useful in meetings or networking events. Master nice handshakes and eye contact. We've all been trained to shake hands with strangers, to look them in the eyes throughout chats. These teachings become second nature after a while. There's only one problem. We're never taught how much to do it. Both procedures have a scale ranging from not enough to too much. You'll need to find a medium ground to demonstrate trust and honesty. Otherwise, it will harm your reputation if people assume you are untrustworthy the moment they met you. So, what constitutes a good handshake? Don't merely brush your fingertips against the other person's fingers without taking their hands in yours. Gripping excessively tightly, as in airtight, or going beyond 2 up and down motions is the other extreme. When you are worried, you're more likely to make mistakes. So, you should discover that sweet spot, practice with a friend, and make it a habit. Eye contact is a comparable problem. When shaking hands, for as long as the handshake lasts, or making requests, maintaining eye contact is critical. Extended, less intimate contact, on the other hand, is more difficult. So if you're giving a long speech or presentation, try not to make eye contact with anyone for more than 30 to 60% of the time. Effectively communicate. Now, what is the definition of effective communication? It's about getting to know your audience and delivering concepts that they can relate to, so they feel a specific way at the end of your speech. You leave them feeling informed, motivated, and even happy. And when you make others happy by chatting, your prestige rises dramatically. How do you go about achieving those goals? The key is to be an excellent storyteller. Storytellers have a way of connecting with their audience, which aids in the production of oxytocin and keeping them attentive. You may approach storytelling from 3 different perspectives: professional, social, and romantic. It takes a lot of work and repetition to master them. In addition, using positive humor in interactions is a wonderful strategy. Women are more attracted to guys who can be witty, utilize puns, and lighten the atmosphere than males who taunt others or make self-deprecating jokes, according to studies. It's even better if you include this sense of humor into your tale. Why do people enjoy pleasant, clever humor and nice stories? Because those characteristics tend to draw attention to one's intelligence. In general, clever individuals are seen as having a higher social rank, so don't dismiss your communication abilities. We must all show ourselves in a professional manner. We all have confidence issues at times. We don't feel at ease in the same room as everyone else, or we're so tense about the event that we forget to be ourselves. All you have to remember are basic body language and communication principles to get respect and become a high-value guy in the eyes of others. You'll always get off to a terrific start if you learn to regulate your body, your words, and your mindset. Anyone you meet will pay attention to you, feel at ease with you, and think highly of you. You make an impression on them, and the rest should go effortlessly. How will you apply these tips to your everyday social life? Let us know in the comments section down below.
If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.